Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Dodge's 1981 to 1993 Ram 150.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Unbolt the rear forward leaf spring mount and move the mount and leaf spring aside. Unbolt and lift the bed for clearance. Remove the fuel tank, fuel lines, and any brackets in the work area. Step 3. This frame section repairs the area around the front center bed mount and fuel tank crossmember. Either remove the front center bed mount and fuel tank crossmember by cutting the rivet heads and clearing the holes, or remove only the perforated frame sections around those components. Step 4. Grind the area clean and apply weld-through primer. Slide the frame section into place using the factory holes for alignment and seat it tight against the frame rail. Step 5. Clamp the frame section in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part to the frame prior to welding all edges fully. Step 6. If removed, reinstall a replacement fuel tank crossmember and front center bed mount. Weld the perforation lines closed without filling the mounting holes. Finally, apply a rust inhibiting top coat.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Once dry, reinstall the fuel tank, fuel lines, brackets, rear forward leaf spring mount, leaf spring, and bed. Now, get back out on the road.